Hello students, as in our previous class we have read chapter 5, the matter with water, and in the last video I have explained you that water is worried because people are not looking after it the way they should, and without water life would be impossible. We drink water, we cook with water, water helps the crops to grow in the form of ice, it keeps food fresh. Water is very essential and precious to all human beings, and because of water only life is possible on earth. Now we will read ahead. Sometimes you see me in a glass or in a bottle, sitting coolly in your refrigerator. You can see me boiling away happily on the gas stove while your mother makes tea. I jump into the food your mother makes so that the food cooks well. I even freeze and turn into ice. So water is saying that you can see me in the glass or in a bottle or in the refrigerator in a form of ice, and you can see me boiling on the gas stove happily when your mother cooks food. You have seen children boiling water? Yes, everybody have seen. Then mother also uses water for cooking food. When I turn into ice, I am of great use. I help to keep food fresh, especially when people need to transport food across the country. I help make ice cream that I am sure you all love. When you are hurt, I help make your swelling go down. So water is saying here that I am of very useful, I am of great use, I keep the food fresh. Yes children, your mother is keeping food in the refrigerator so that it can be stored for longer time, it would be preserved, and the food is fresh when we keep into the refrigerator. When people transport food across the country, then also ice we are using there. Then you are eating ice cream. All the small children love to eat ice cream, they are very fond of ice cream. When you are hurt, then we use ice on the swelling, on the hurt part, so that it can be cured. Sometimes you have fun with me in your swimming pools. At other times I splash on you through your shower. Oh, certainly we have a lot of fun together. So, water can be seen in the swimming pool. We all enjoy there, or we can see water in shower, and we have lot of fun in shower, in swimming pool. I am also around you in many other ways that are very important for life. So I here refers to water, and water is saying that I am around you in many ways and I am very important for every living being. I travel through many lands as rivers. I take along stones, pebbles, and mud with me. I also help to make the soil fertile. That is why you will see so many farms around me. because I love carrying water around and helping crops grow. I do that so you can have plenty of food to eat. Pebbles. Pebbles here means smooth round stones that are found near water. So farms are close to rivers so that the crops can be provided with sufficient water to make the soil fertile. Then water around the crops helps to grow easily so that we can get plenty of food to eat. As a river, I flow into the great big sea. Finally, I turn into a big ocean. I am sure you know that there are many oceans on earth. I fill every one of them. This is where I have lots of fun. There are many creatures in my oceans, fish, plants, crabs, turtles, and millions of little creatures called plankton. Plankton means very tiny plants and animals that live inside the water. We have a wonderful time together and it makes me very happy to see them. So as a river flow into the great sea and then the big great sea turn into a big ocean. And like this, there are so many water bodies. So children, you have seen ocean? Yes. Many of you have might seen oceans. I fill every one of them. So water is saying that I fill every one of them. Water is in the river, in the ocean, in the sea, in the lake, in the pond. And water have lots of fun there. And there are many creatures in the oceans like fish, plants, crabs, turtles, and millions of little creatures called planktons. Plankton, I told you, that tiny plants and animals that live inside the water. And they have wonderful time together and it makes water happy to see them around. But I see that humans are making things difficult for me. This is where I get worried. People, animals, birds, plants, and all living things would find it impossible to live without me. Next, water is saying that human beings are making things difficult for water and it will be difficult for all the people, animal, birds, plants. If water is in difficulty, then we will also face lots of difficulty. People dump waste and chemicals in rivers which flow into the sea. This is called water pollution. These are poisonous for water creatures and many of them die. When I get polluted, I am of no use to anyone. You cannot drink me or cook with me. Pollution. Pollution means make air, water or soil dirty. So here water is saying that humans are making things difficult for water by throwing garbage in it which poisons it and kills marine life. Also, polluted water cannot be used for drinking, cooking and other household purpose. Polluted water is of no use, children. You cannot drink that polluted water. You cannot cook cook with that polluted water. So, it is useless after getting polluted. Children, rest of the chapter we will read in our next class. Thank you.